Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about BTS did on professionalism in the band and the search for happiness. This perspective brings out the strength of the team in managing advertise and retaining their position in the global leadership in the music business. Jin said that the working mentality of the team makes them solve their differences and be on the same. Recently, the main vocalist of the K-pop supergroup BTS Jin has reunited with his audience through music interviews and different events since completing his South Korean military service. As he is the first member to receive his honorable discharge, there is nothing but truth poured out in his accounts, especially on what he's found with other members of BTS and solo works. On Aiba's Japanese talk show since those days, Jin opened up about the dynamics in BTS. For us, being a good team means respecting each other and keeping a professional attitude, Jin said. According to him, though they appear very close, it's a professional relationship and not really a friendship. I think to be respectful, we need to recognize that we are not friends, we are partners who work together. Jean shared further explaining among friends when you get mad at each other. Sometimes you won't help each other because you're upset. But here it is different. Even if there's a situation where our feelings get hurt, we still have to work together professionally for our shared goals. This perspective brings out the strength of the team in managing, advertise, and retaining their position in the global leadership in the music business. Jean said that the working mentality of the team makes them solve their differences and be on the same book to win together. Other issues the speaker talked about with Jean is a commentary on his solo album called Happy, which Jean further elucidated is the spread of happiness he would want everywhere despite how difficult it has been personally for him. My ambition is to bring happiness into fans who, when I see them. It brings me joy. This is my dream, Sergin saying that he is close enough with the fans. Since his military discharge, he has been very actively engaging with the fans. He did his meet and greet event, collaborated with luxury brands, and even ran for the 2024 Paris Olympics as a torchbearer. In addition, Jin marked his solo debut on The Tonight Show, starring Jimmy Fallon, where he appeared together with BTS before the journey of the solo artist and his views about him make the audience a much deeper version of him and his commitment towards and legacy of BTS. But this way he comments himself towards bringing happiness and inspiration towards his global fans. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.